and welcome to a new video here on my channel. I hope that you are having an amazing day. I am feeling really good. I have a good day today. That sounded weird, but I am feeling really positive about today. It is sunny and I'm just super excited about this makeup look as well. This video is a full face of Nyx Professional Makeup, so loads of their new products. I just really wanted to try out some of their new Can't Stop Won't Stop base products, the eyeshadows, and much more. So if you guys want to see all that I've used and how to create this look, then just keep on watching. Well, first off, I am going to use the Honey Do Me Up primer. I talked about this my last video, I think. It's just been a staple of mine in my everyday routine now for like a month or something. The fuck? My piercing just fell out. It does that all the time. No panic, I found it and it's on. For foundation, I am using the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in Alabaster, and I'm going to use the entire Can't Stop Won't Stop kit except the primer because I don't have it. You guys already know I have a first impression of this and I love it so much. So I'm just going to apply that with a beauty blender. Next off, my favorite concealer at the moment. It is also the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I am using the shade Pale and Alabaster, I think. Alabaster to hide some pimples and then Pale underneath my eyes and to highlight. Also, if you see me eating something, it's vegan cheese. It's so good. I honestly don't think that I need to powder the foundation because I know that it kind of sets and it's so matte without the powder, but I do have the new setting powders and also the foundation powders. This is in fair and this is in light, so I really want to use them. So I think I'm gonna go in with the setting powder underneath the eyes and then the foundation powder just a little bit all over. It kind of pains me not to be able to use the Nabla close-up powder that I use every single day for like a year. But I don't hate this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the foundation powder with the same brush. A little bit where I normally get a little bit oily, I feel like would be a good way to test this. I just don't want to be too matte so my face like cracks. Then for these bad boys that I have had for how many years? You guys already know about these. I'm of course going to use the highlight and contour palette to contour only. And then I have the Sweet Cheeks blush palette and then the Strobe of Genius highlighting palette. So I'm as always going to start out with this shade to contour a little bit. And I'm also going to contour my jawline and my nose. And now for blush, my favorite one in the palette, this one. I'm actually thinking, you guys have probably already seen the look that I've done, but I'm thinking to do like a darker look, like more dramatic that I used to do more before. I don't know why I haven't really. Oops, as always, too much blush. It looks like when Jonas did my makeup. Strobe of Genius is NYX Professional Makeup's best highlighting palette in my opinion. Still, because this is the only one that I really use. Look at that. And just because I am so mad everywhere right now, I'm thinking that I will highlight quite a lot. I can't stop eating. I am not 100% sure when they came out with this, but it is very brand new to me. It is the new Ultimate Shadow Palette in Phoenix. You guys know I love the Ultimate palettes, and this one is right up my alley. Super warm tone shades, a beautiful like yellowy gold. So I am thinking, and I think that you guys agree, that this one is the most orange one that could match my hair. So I'm just gonna go in with that and use that as a brow powder. For the eyes, let's start. As I said, I've never used this palette, but I think that I'm gonna go in with this one just in the crease. think I'm gonna go for a halo eye, so that is why I took it like right in here as well. Maybe you should get closer, by the way. I totally forgot, I'm such a bad YouTuber. I'm gonna use the same shade underneath my eyes as well, used as a transition color. I want to go in with both the darker one right here and also the red. Maybe the red first and just put it not as high up, but still use some red in crease, and then I'm gonna use something shimmery on the lid. I really think that red eyeshadow is my weakness because I cannot stop putting on more. As you guys can see, I've used it also underneath my eye, and now I'm gonna go in with the darker one and just make it even more dark. I'm thinking that we should go in with a mix with this like rose gold shimmer shade and the more golden shade. So I'm just gonna take some setting spray on this and then let's put it on. Ooh! Wow! I just really want to see how this looks, so let's use it a little bit in the middle. Is that better? Yeah, I'm gonna use some here as well. And let's use a little bit in the inner corner as well. For eyeliner, I really don't want to do a wing, but I do want to just line my upper lash line, and for that I'm gonna use the Epic Ink liner but in brown. We have come to lashes, and the only part where I will actually draw the line and say I'm gonna cheat. This is Rouge and Rogue, so it's not NYX Professional Makeup, but you guys know. And yeah, I am back to Cocoa. While my lashes are dry, I am going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup hashtag This Is Everything lip scrub that I have not used before. This is how it looks. Ooh, smells so good. Now for mascara, I'm going to go in with the double stacked, but I'm not gonna double stack them. I'm just gonna use the mascara on the top and bottom lashes, and then it's time for the lips. I don't really know what kind of lip I want, but I did find this Suede matte lipstick in Brunch Me, and it feels like it could match, so let's try it. It's a very nice shade, but it doesn't really match. Okay, you know what, let's try the shade Dainty Daze instead. Try this and this gloss on top. I didn't like that either. I cannot find my liquid lipsticks from NYX Professional Makeup, but I did find this tiny one. This is the Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Vintage. Okay, I actually thought that I was going to be done, but I think that this looks a little bit too much like all of my other looks. So I'm going to go in with a new product from NYX Professional Makeup. It is the Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color in Cherry Cola. These glosses are like so weird. They feel like ice. It's so weird when I first tried it. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, so this is the finished look. I am so happy that I decided to do a more dark look today. I really feel like kind of nostalgic. It was a long time ago since I had this dark of an eye and lip together. I've been really into like nude lips lately, as you guys have probably seen. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys are wondering about the products, the concealer, foundation, and the powders are looking absolutely amazing. I love the eyeshadow palette and the lip glosses. I do think that they are kind of weird when you apply them, but they do look very beautiful, and they're not sticky at all. I really hope you will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye babes. Mwah.